and welcome to the Target Best of Clean Beauty box unboxing, I guess bag really. This one's valued at over $42, so again, for 15 bucks, not too awful. So, this one, unlike the minty one, is in like a sky blue, but also with corally pink on the top, so pretty cute. I'm liking the aesthetic. Okay, let's get the tissue paper out. Not as much tissue paper in this one. Oh yeah, there is. They just distributed it differently. Okay, so undo the pouch here. I'm so glad we haven't had any repeats of like what happened with the hair one. That was just awful. Okay, first one in here is from the brand Native, and this is their detoxifying charcoal toothpaste with mint. And it's fluoride-free, whitens teeth, and freshens breath. Safe, simple, and effective. Now, see, I don't see why you would want to use one without fluoride, but I'm sure people have their reasons. Use every day for whiter teeth, fresh and detoxified breath, a brighter smile, and a better day. Made without triclosan, SLS, or sulfates. Artificial preservatives. Never tested on animals, only humans who volunteer. I like that they add that it's humans who volunteer and not just humans. Made in the USA with high quality, globally sourced ingredients. And I didn't know this is like a San Francisco brand. That's cool. That is cool. It's got xylitol. Keep it away from your pets. I mean, you should have been keeping it away from your pets anyway, but keep it away from your pets. So, decent size. Next thing in here is, okay, I think that's just like sticky from adhesive. Tresemme Pro Pure Shampooing. Why is it shampooing? I'm confused. Light moisture. Oh, I guess shampooing would be in French, maybe? I don't know. No sulfates, parabens, or dyes. And this is a 3-ounce bottle. Pro Pure Light Moisture Shampoo is made to provide you with a worry-free wash experience. Our formulations are sulfate, paraben, and dye-free. Light Moisture System. Our Light Moisture System is a solution for your dry, dull hair. Get the moisture and shine you need. That's cool. Coconut acid is in this. I've never seen coconut acid listed as an ingredient before. I'm not sure if that's an ingredient I'll be able to use or not. I mean, coconut oil I can use, but I can't use coconut fruit, milk, extract, anything like that, water. So I'm not sure about acid. I've never heard of that before, so I'll give it a shot, and if I have a reaction, then I'll give the rest to, like, Kimmy or my mom or something. We've got, oh my god. I think this may be the 3rd packet I have of this. I'd have to look. It definitely is. It's the Acure Resurfacing Overnight Glycolic Treatment. And one of these definitely did, in fact, come from a Target box. One also came from Allure. Moonstone True Unicorn Root, Glycolic and Lactic, Resurface, Refine, and Hydrate for all skin types. 100% vegan, 0% pretentious, paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, petrolatum-free, formaldehyde-free, cruelty-free. Before bed, apply to face and allow it to sink in and set. Go to bed, or tell yourself you're going to bed while you scroll your phone until the wee hours of the morning. Use every other day to start as your skin adjusts. Tingling sensation may occur when using at first. Okay. So there's that. Oh my god, how cute. So I definitely have the full size of this, but it's the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, all-in-one waterproof, removes makeup from waterproof mascara, cleanses and refreshes, no rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, and eyes, all skin types, even sensitive. Like I said, I do have the full size of this. I know I love this, so I'm actually really excited to have like a little travel size version that I could throw in my purse if need be. That is actually pretty handy to have, not gonna lie. So this is also by the Tresemme Pro Pure line, and this is the matching conditioner that goes with the light hydration. Does it also yeah. Oh, wait. No. It does not. This one has coconut oil. So this is definitely safe for me. The other one remains to be seen, but this one for sure I can use. That's cool. And it says all the same stuff. So, okay. We've also got... Ooh! So this is by the brand Bliss, which I adore. This is the Makeup Melt Dry Wet Gentle Jelly Cleanser with Rose Flower. I think they sent out... I'm not sure if it was this exact thing or something really similar, but it was like this big by comparison. So I'm like, ooh, this one's actually like usable. Oh, jelly, yes. This universal cleanser glides onto dry skin to easily dissolve makeup and rinses off of wet skin to remove impurities. Super gentle yet amazingly effective. Leaves skin clean yet silky soft. Yeah, this one, I'm pretty sure this is the same one I'm thinking of that they gave out the itty bitty one in, like, my first Target box that I got, so. This is, woo, Burt's Bees! This is their Firming Moisturizing Cream. Renewal with natural retinol alternative. Oh, does it have bakuchiol in it? Let's see. Reading, it's really small. It does have bakuchiol in it. Okay. That's so interesting. So obviously it's a sample size, but that's really cool. Ha! So, wish I'd gotten this before I literally bought 2 of these of the same exact one. This is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. Well, I sure hope I like it because I have 3 of it now. And finally, I would be excited about this, but I remember from the last time I got this in a beauty box, I can't use this because there is coconut in it. Double checking to make sure they haven't changed anything. Yep, coconut water. Fuck. This is at least a smaller pack, but it's the Pacifica Glowing Glycolic Acid Orange and Vanilla Makeup Removing Wipes. I gave the last pack to Kimmy. Apparently it was a mistake since there was so much fragrance she couldn't handle them, so I'm going to try giving these to my mom this time. So, anywho, that is it for this one, but again, all this stuff for 15 bucks. You get the makeup wipes, the Burt's Bees Moisturizing Cream sample, the Tresemme Pro Pure Conditioner and Shampoo set, the micellar water, the Bliss Makeup Melt, the Glycolic Overnight Treatment, and the Native Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. All for 15 bucks in this really cute vinyl bag. That is really cool. Again, just like I said with the men's bag, I think this would be like a really cool like gift idea for somebody that, you know, that they're into beauty, but you don't know what exactly to get them. This would be a good option, I think. So, anyways, that's it for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.